Good morning, everybody. It's 4:30 a.m. and I am at Chicago's O'Hare Airport on my way to Ottawa, Canada. And as you can see by the ceiling lights, it's kind of festive. It looked really nice and colorful coming into O'Hare. Let me show you outside the window. Really snowy, blustery day. So that's what it looks like this morning in Chicago. And I hope it doesn't cause flight delays. Every time I come here, I think this gate E1 is so strange because it's off by itself that corner. So there is gate E1. And you can see it really isn't down a terminal hallway. It's just kind of off by itself. I'm not flying out of that gate today, but the first time I had to fly out of it, I had a dickens of a time finding it because it's an orphan all by itself. There are not a lot of restaurants open. It's still a little too early, but I'm sure I'll find something before my flight. It'd be really good to grab a little breakfast. It looks like McDonald's is open. Dunkin' Donuts is open. All of the shops are closed though.
6.5 hours later.
The weather here is quite miserable. It's snowing, but not just snow, it's like raining out. And I'm just probably not going to get out into the elements.
Much later.
It's a capital city, and it's cold. I don't have a lot of time here. But I thought it would be interesting to see what Parliament looks like at night when it's close to the holidays. And I saw some lights were being shined on it. Shined? Whatever, they're being displayed. So we're gonna go take a look. And look at that. It's a big bear eating a salmon, I suppose. And down at its feet is a tiny little bear. You know, Canadians are crazy about hockey. What you see behind me is the Lord Stanley's Gift Monument. Yep, that's Stanley, the guy who the Stanley Cup is named for. We can even go inside. Kind of a strange monument. It's the Stanley Cup. Last time I was here, it was the summer months and kids were playing soccer on this field behind me. Now it's just a lot of snow. That is really cool looking how the flame just comes up through the bubbling water. And that flame you just saw was Centennial Flame. Now we're going to walk up to Parliament. The lights still aren't on, but it's fun to see nevertheless. Well, my phone just went dead. I don't know if I'm going to find my way back to my hotel without the GPS. There are worse things in life than to wander around Canada aimlessly. we're gonna go down and look at the river. Now it's not cold enough yet. It's still early in the year. But when the real winter sets in and that river freezes over, it is the world's largest skating rink, if you can call a river a rink. There's a lot of activities, but not just yet. We're gonna get a peek at it anyway. I've been walking around the Parliament building and I'm getting cold. So I'm gonna go to the Centennial Flame. I'm gonna warm myself up and I think I'll find a place to eat. And wouldn't you know it, the insectarium is closed. Who wouldn't want to go in a place that's all about bugs? Canadian postal workers were on strike, but I think that's all done with. Is this the Irish pub?
Later that same evening.
It's the middle of the night, and the alarm is going off in my hotel. Guess we gotta go. I got out in the hallway. People are milling about. Nobody's going downstairs or going out. It's late at night. I'm not smelling smoke. I'm not seeing a fire department arrive. I've had this happen before. It's usually, just nothing. Someone pulls a fire alarm. So I'm going to wait and see if a fire department shows up. If they do, I'll think about heading downstairs. I am hearing a siren. I don't see anybody out there. No. Here they come. But I don't see anything really happening. Okay, here a few firemen are coming to the building. They don't look like they're in any kind of hurry. Nobody is exiting the building. I see a few people over here. Let's go downstairs and see what's happening. Better safe than sorry, right? Out in the hallway, people are going back into their rooms, not coming out. You can see that the lights are still flashing, but there's no more alarm. Let's take a walk downstairs. That's right, 5 flights. And the word is, it's steam from a shower. How in the world could steam from a shower set off a fire alarm? I don't know, I'll keep my eye on the firefighters outside. Yeah, they're not taking any action. This is just a routine call to check just to be sure. I've had this happen before, always in the middle of the night. What's going to happen next is in the morning, well, I'll probably be getting up before they will because I have to get to the airport at 4 o'clock. But what typically happens is they will shove a note under your door apologizing for the inconvenience. Nothing will ever come of it. It'd be nice if they would throw a few thousand Hilton honor points my way for the inconvenience, wouldn't it? I'm going back to bed. Good night.
Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas to you.